Kishes playtime. Today I'm making jelly for my dad's birthday tomorrow. And you need 200 ml of hot water and cold water. First I'm putting in the hot water. It's quite hot. Next I'm going to mix it for a little bit. Now I'm going to put in this powder. The spoon is kind of shaped for me. And now I'm going to put in this special powder. And we need a little bit enough to make the water look nice and cool. And then we stir it, and after I'm going to put it in there. Here it's getting a big mountain because I'm putting so much of this jelly there. It's turning into a big mountain. All the powder is done. I'm gonna keep mixing it. See how the water is all green? It's the powder. The powder is lemon flavor. So first it comes out white when you pour it inside this white powder. But when it goes into the water, the color starts to come and it's green. Can you break all the big mountains in there? Do you think all the big mountains are gone? Yeah or no? No? Okay. Can you keep mixing it now? Yes? Okay. Let me get this cold water. Now it's more water. We need a tiny bit more powder to make it have enough color. There. Now the powder is all done. Just get all the powder out. There. Now it's 100% done. I'm gonna mix it. Today we're gonna put it in the fridge, and tomorrow it's gonna be ready for my dad's birthday party. Look at when I'm dropping. Can you see green or can you see white? Green. It's a little bit greenish when we drop a tiny bit. And then we keep mixing. You need to mix for 5 minutes. The sound of the spoon hitting the glass and the water pushing it. Did you hear that? And now you keep mixing. I feel a thick hill here. And I'm trying to get this dust, this powder. So looks like it's kind of dripping. Yeah. Now, see, everything is mixed up. Now I'm going to take a spoon and touch it with my hands to see if it's all ready to go into the fridge. Looks like it is. Tomorrow I'm going to continue the video. Bye! And guys, look how the jelly came out. We put it yesterday and now it looks so good. And I hope you could do it at home too. And it could even wiggle. And I was been eating it for ages. You could see yesterday at my dad's birthday party, they ate all this jelly and even I ate it. And this is how much, this is the rest over. Reminds me, I wanna take a bite. It's so hard to get it out there, and it's very soft. And it even has don't know how we put the Yemen people. It even has a little bit of the Yemen flavor, and I was also drinking Yemen juice now with brown sugar, and now eating Yemen Yemen Jell-O. And I hope you like my video, and please subscribe. Bye.